Humble media friends, nirok tini payment bagai. Sung TSF ninggi sini press conference asok ninggi. Ang nirok ni TSF ni General Secretary Hamalu an logo tong sini Vice President Pintu, sini Chief Organizing Secretary Bibas, te sini Assistant Finance Secretary Somor, ani yaga tong sini Joint Secretary Reno, te sini Assist Central Leaders, Divisional Leaders, jotno tongo. Tini jeng press conference asok manik omana nirok sigur jeng TSF kedua salro sini movement teman nanti Roman script nanti jeng kai pai to 2020 ni jeng kisah governor ni jeng memorandum roka jeng nirok nukhana aman porega jeng strida koka board by malaika jeng memorandum to ya paring tong haipun teman nukzaka government ro assure khai kaje borok sungno ronai roman script by biset khai janai te bengali script biset khai janai sung amono gosen na ka haipana sung tak tumanu kha thangnai 17 march kogrok paper cbs ni tongmani aro bengali script by set khai jasi question paper kaise board exam se yak by suijak question paper baksa hobai man namne roktangai CBS ini simi khorang tisa CBS ini guardian student of my contact khaika sung borno thang visit khaika TBS ini sung khorang sob khalia haibana sung boron wai sung khorang tisa ito amma sung public ma busine tabo sung kabang memorandum roka kabang ma leaders kabang political party bai sung malai sung akai sung TSF omana sung decision khaika sung tabo kebo malai liya borok sungai thaima malai nai sini students from the future thangjagai tongo sung ma busi nai sung thangjagai khorang mati sanai ang public na appeal khainai especially students sung sidima kha khna class 12 ni CBSE board exam ko group par nga thangi tong sung nero ni support na guardians ro nero ni support na nirok support khaya ke sini movement success sungla sung jotno no koinai students guardian public political party NGOs social organization student organization tabok te kaisa omo cockroach speaker on ismi fight ya I will invite even non cockroach speakers omo nirok no fight nirok mabusi nai sung cockroach saya sung tangai khane khongke any movement success singla thangnai goro sini traffic police harassment khaijaka boto kobrok sanaya haibana khaijaka blai harassment amo sing mabusine boni bagai TSF sing jabr pana sini jab phan tongsa sing khaini tong thangnai strike khaibro bo sing leaders orjok to na jotoni case masaja kodo thangma tongo sung sini baik kaya guardian rok mabusi nai sung nirong ni busa nirong ni curai nirong ni jati gusin mais kai and our future generation thanai class 10 exam ronai ro borok fail sing nai ni baksa saka kosi pore maya baika sunai ba borono roman script bai prangja ka government assure kai ka ba borobo waso ka yes roman script prangpano question paper roman script bai dang nai tabok sing appeal khai nai TSF ready tong TSF basta hinga ni ready tong nirok logade tong amo sita question public student logade tong boni bagai TSF khna 24 March 2025 jeng indefinite strike dakogoi tongo sini TSF bengai sung jota political party jota organization jota student organization joto borok nirong appeal khainai of movement no success khagen bagai sung nogo thogoi tongoi simi TSF no simi nai sagai of movement success ngla sung vision of ready khainai haibana nirong ni support karika movement bagai success nai my dear student you should understand nirong bai sung fight khai tong sung case masai tong nirong kirigai nogo tong tong of movement success ngla guardian rok mabusi nai sung sika khana 21st March cover paper 12 inga thangi tong Baksa hongkai mana exam bahai ke ronai tarodi sung reschedule khai ronai sung pal ke tu prano hall musung ma khang ke tangai government kiriang nai ba sung TSF simi khang ke sene haya niro public ong ma pusina students niro dress kai no khadi sung loge tongo niro ma pusina sung niro ni bagai sung je khai ma sak sini phan tong sak sung khai ne tong public rock especially we should understand tumang gui dong sini movement tangai success nya 50 years na tangai so ma busina bone bagai sung job to organization job to student you may be from different community different tribe khanani all movement of participate khagen bai sung koi nai te government of India government of Tripura te both nirok directly sung by contact ma khai nai. You may think we are very much like tabo sini logo students tongo guardian tongo public tongo government of Tripura so amon one khai nirok problem solve khai musu khangke sung by direct contact khai di sung ready ni tongo talk ni bagai hai bana our students should not be played again language te question paper subject te sini student te politics ta khai chak sini student ni future manago ta thang thang nei chung naige bon bai chung TSF chung sring tongmalia sini student ni dukh hono goi chung ma ba sapika chung appeal khai nai I appeal all the communities all the political organization NGO social organization